Hello, good morning everyone. Today, let us discuss about the chemical properties of alcohol. Chemical properties of alcohol. Alcohols are versatile molecules, versatile compounds. These are act as a electrophile as well as nucleophile. Okay. So by one example, when these are act as a electrophile, when these are act as a nucleophile, we'll discuss now. For example, the first condition, alcohol, alcohol general formula ROH. Alcohol is a reaction with the carbocation. Carbocation. So in this situation, from the alcohol, this oxygen donate the lone pair of electrons. So in this condition, alcohols are act as a nucleophiles. Then formation of RO. So these compounds are formed. So furtherly, elimination of proton, then formation of these are the compounds are formed. Means here RO, if you consider this also an alkyl group, ethers are formed. Ether. So in this condition, alcohols are act as a nucleophile, and when alcohols are act as a electrophile. For example, RCH2OH. These are reaction with the proton. Reaction with the proton. Then formation of RCH2. Okay. So these are the compounds are formed. So these are said to be protonated alcohol. These are said to be protonated alcohol. So alcohol in the form of protonated alcohol act as a, see, electrophiles. Then you see Br minus here nucleophile. See, Br minus nucleophile is attached to the alcohol containing carbon, oxygen adjacent carbon. So here water is eliminated. Then formation of RCH2Br plus H2O. H2O it will be formed. See, now in this condition, you remember when alcohols are act as a electrophile in the condition of protonated alcohol act as a, see, electrophiles. So here nucleophiles. So by these two reaction in alcohol involve the cleavage of alcohols involve the cleavage RCH2OH. So that's why alcohols are act as a electrophiles as well as nucleophiles. So that's why, see, in alcohols two type of reactions are takes place. First one, the cleavage of OH bond, and the cleavage of CO bond also takes place. So two type of bonds are takes place. So first one, we'll discuss about the cleavage of OH bond. What is that, you know? Cleavage of OH bond in alcohols. Okay. So first one, we'll discuss about the acidity of alcohol. Acidity of alcohols. Otherwise reactive with the metals. Now see, in this condition, I am taking ethanol. Ethanol reaction with the sodium metal. Ethanol reaction with the sodium metal. This sodium metal which can replace the proton from alcohol. Then sodium shift the position of hydrogen. CH3CH2 ONA plus liberate the proton. So in this condition, so alcohols are act as a some acidic nature. Okay. So next, for example, tertiary butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol reaction with aluminum metal. Then formation of See, then formation of aluminium tertiary butoxide it will be formed. So means alcohols also liberate the hydrogen with the aluminum metal. So by these two reaction we can confirm that alcohols are act as a acidic in nature. Okay, but very important thing is that just you remember here, ethyl alcohol reaction with the sodium hydroxide. Now tell me what happens. So you see, ethyl alcohol, these are weak acid, very weak acid. So these are not having to capable of reaction with the strong bases like sodium hydroxide. So here reaction is not takes place. This point you remember. Okay, right. So next what we'll do, you know, and this is the very important thing you remember. Acidic nature of alcohol, how it is in primary comma, secondary comma, tertiary alcohol. In these three, which alcohol is more acidic character, which alcohol is less acidic character, we will discuss now. For example, here I am taking primary alcohol, here secondary alcohol, here I am taking tertiary alcohol. So primary, secondary and tertiary, three alcohols I took. Now tell me, in this three alcohol, which alcohol is more acidic character? Which alcohol is highly reactive with the metals? Then you think of it. So here, one factor will affect according to inductive effect. According to inductive effect, this ethyl group donate the electron to oxygen. 2 carbon. Here 3 carbon. So donate to the mere donation when you are coming from primary to tertiary alcohol, number of methyl groups are increasing. So that's why inductive effect increasing from primary alcohol to tertiary alcohol. So that's why, see, in tertiary alcohol, electronegativity which is increases on oxygen. So that's why this oxygen negativity increases, the hydrogen it will be hold. It cannot liberate. It will be hold like this. So that's why in tertiary alcohol, hydrogen cannot liberate quickly. In primary alcohol, hydrogen compared to tertiary alcohol, in primary alcohol, hydrogen liberate quickly. So that's why you remember acidic nature of alcohol. So order of acidic nature, primary greater than, secondary greater than, tertiary. Okay, just you remember this order, which is the very important. Now one more thing is that we'll compare with ethanol and phenol. These two things are very important. Ethanol. See, for example, here I am taking phenol. Here I am taking ethanol. Phenol and ethanol. Now tell me, in these two compounds, which of the following is more acidic? First one and second one. See, ethanol and phenol. In these two compounds, which is more acidic? So you remember, phenol is the more acidic character. Why? Because when, see, after removal of proton, here ethoxide ion is found. So here from the phenol, after removal of proton, then formation of phenoxide ion is found. Phenoxide ion will be found. So now tell me, in these two oxides, which is the more resonance stabilized? More and more resonance stabilized. So phenoxide ion is the more resonance stabilized. So ethoxide is not having any resonance. So that's why phenols are more acidic character than ethanol. The reason is that, what is the reason is that phenoxide ions are more resonance stabilized than ethoxide ion, that you remember. See, for example, understand purpose, I am telling here, this hydrogen telling to oxygen, I want to move from here. So oxygen is telling that, if you want to go, leave from here. If I leave also, I will get negative charge, my negative charge, participate in the resonance, I will be stable. So that's why your chances are there removal of proton. But here in this condition, that type of chances are not there. Oxygen not allowed to remove a proton. Why? Because this proton removed from here, ethoxide is found. This is not resonance stabilizer. Got this point? Right. So next we'll discuss about the acidic nature of phenols. Acidic nature of phenols by involvement of some electron donating and some electron withdrawing group. Okay. For example, here I am taking 4 options. I am taking. For example, phenol. See, second one is that orthonitrophenol. Third one is that paranitrophenol. See, fourth one is that cresol. See, this is called cresol. So we can say that 4-methyl phenol. Now tell me, in this 4 option, which of the following is more acidic character? Just to remember, I'll tell you. See, here electron withdrawing group effect is work. Okay, right. First of all, you remember, here I want to say one important thing is that in a NO2 withdrawing groups are there, acidic nature increases. Okay, why? Because just to understand here, when nitrogen which is withdraw the electron from benzene, the electronegativity decreases on oxygen. So then proton is removed from here. So here also NO2 withdraw the electron from benzene, oxygen electronegativity decreases, then proton is liberates. So that's why now you are able to understand here more acidic compounds in between 2 and 3, which is more acidic. Okay, now here I am telling paranitrophenol is more acidic character. First one. Third one is that paranitrophenol is more acidic character. Okay, so thereafter orthonitrophenol, the second compound, is more acidic character. Okay, so next to phenol, here only phenol and here 4-methyl phenol. So this is electron donating group. When electron donates, oxygen electronegativity increases. Then oxygen hold the hydrogen, cannot liberate. So that's why in phenol and this cresol, phenol is more acidic character than 4th one. So we can choose the answer like this. Okay, and here I want to give the description for you. Just you remember acidic nature of phenols. See, for example, here I am taking phenol, orthonitrophenol, see, metanitrophenol and paranitrophenol. So phenol pKa value is the 10, that you remember. Okay, next to paranitrophenol pKa value is the 7.1 and orthonitrophenol pKa value 7.2 and orthonitrophenol pKa value 7.2 and metanitrophenol pKa value 8.3. So according to this, we can say that more acidic character is paranitrophenol. And one thing you remember, pKa value is inversely proportional to acidity or acidic character. This thing you have to remember. So pKa value low, acidic character is high. So here pKa value 7.1, more acidic. See, by seeing this pKa value, we can say order of this phenol and orthonitrophenol, metanitrophenol, paranitrophenol. You remember the code is that POM phenol. See, POM, POM, POM phenol. Just you remember for this thing. Okay. Next, we'll discuss about the acidic nature when methyl groups are present. The same situation. Now see, Here I am taking methyl. Here I am taking methyl. These are cresol, orthocresol, metacresol and paracresol. So now see here phenol pK value is 10. See next to ortho pK value. See now here metacresol pK value 10.1. See ortho and para pK value 10.2 and 10.2. Just to see. So when cresols acidic nature order, now tell me the order. So more acidic is there. So phenol greater than, next what is it, meta, okay, and ortho is equal to para. This is according to our NCERT textbook. This thing you remember. So next, finally, last one question I want to raise here. Last one question. See, again I am taking 4 compound. In the 4 compound, which of the following is more acidic character? Then you decide. First one I am taking phenol. Second one I am taking benzyl alcohol. Third one I am taking, see, 4-methoxy phenol. Fourth one I am taking para-nitrophenol. From these options I am asking 2 questions. First question is that in the given 4 options, which of the following most acidic nature? Now tell me, most acidic nature character. Already told us where is the withdrawing group is present, that is the more acidic character. So here 4th option NO2 withdrawing group is the more acidic character, correct. And the next question for this option only, okay, which of the following weak acid? Maybe for this question get confusion. Which of the following is weak acid? Just you think of this. Okay. So weak acid means electron donating groups are present. See, ether group, OCS3 electron donating group. You are thinking weak acid is this one? No, it's 100% wrong. So weak acid is benzyl alcohol. You remember this is a very important compound here. Benzyl alcohol. But because OH group does not bonded to the benzene ring. So when here proton remove, see, it's not phenoxide. You understand? So when OH is not directly attaches to the benzene ring, so that's why this is the, out of this 4 compound, weak acid is that benzyl alcohol. Benzyl alcohol. You remember. Sometimes these type of compounds also include. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.